Hey guys, it's Nate at Brilled, and welcome to another Stick It to the Man video for this week. It has been a crazy start to the year. I've not been the best about recording these, so want to jump on and do just a quick one today. We talk a lot about Brilled, about building partnerships, and the whole idea of building these partnerships is that whether it's a supplier partnership or a partnership with our customer, we have these close relationships where we have trust built, we share information, we're very transparent, and because of that, we're able to accomplish way more together than we ever could alone. I'll give you one example. I had a caller just earlier this week. A customer needed some wall packs. They needed them very fast. They didn't necessarily want to pay expedited shipping, but they were really hoping we get them out the same day. This is about 2:30 in the afternoon our time when we got the call. And I was like, man, trying to get some out the same day, 2:30 in the afternoon is tough. And I knew it was going to be pushing it, but at the same time, I knew we had some strong partnerships. So we immediately went to work to process this rush order. It's not a big order, and it's, a newer customer, but for us, every order is important. Every customer is important. We're going to treat them that way. And so even though it's not some huge order, we made it top priority to get this done. And so we bent over backwards, dropped everything, immediately got this going. And the important side of this was not what we did. I mean, us dropping everything to get the order in, okay, big deal. But because of the relationship we had with our manufacturing partner, in this case, Envision, we were able to make some calls and pull some strings and say, hey, can we get you guys to get this out today? Can you do us a favor? And we had the relationships and the ability to get that done. And within an hour, we had proof that it was going out the same day, that we had it out the door, and we're able to meet the customer's timeline, make everybody happy, which there's plenty of other stories I could share where we did everything right and we still couldn't get out the same day, right? It doesn't always end up that way. I was really glad in this case that it did. But the important note here is those relationships. Not every distributor or wholesaler or whatever you want to call them could call up any given manufacturer and ask them to do them favors. They just don't. They're stuck in red tape. They're stuck in all these processes, and the relationships we build, the partnerships we build with our OEM supply partners, with the factories we deal with, and with our customers are the kind of relationships where we can make those phone calls. We have those friendships, we have those relationships where if you need something done, we can usually make it happen, and we could probably make it happen as good or better than anybody else could. Our company is built here on the customer experience. It's not just about the price of the product, the quality of the product. All those things come into play, and they're usually a little better with Brilled too. But we're all about the customer experience. If we can help you solve problems, if we can be that go-to guy you call when you just need to make sure something's going to get done, we want to be that guy for you. Give us a call here at Brilled. We'd love to talk to you. Drop me a note in the comments below. Send me a message here on LinkedIn, or reach out to us. You can email us at sales@brilledlighting.com. We look forward to talking to you.